guys, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'm going to show you how I've done these flowers, and we'll start with this sugar rose. So to begin, I'm using a fine liner brush. Now you would have already prepped your nail, done everything that you're doing. This is just going on the top, and I'm coming in with nail Artisan Gel Paints, and we're just drawing like little croissants around in a circle. Now these don't have to be perfect, because the more irregular they are, the better it'll look. So as I say, yeah, we're just working around in a circle until we have got the desired shape that we want. And then I'll do another two at the side of this flower that I'm doing at the moment. So I'm just going to let you watch as I work. So once you have your flowers done, you could add more detail if you want. This is just what I've done to show you. I then come in with some clear acrylic powder, and we're just going to sprinkle that over the top before we cure the gel in the lamp, and this will give it a sugared effect. So just make sure you've got enough acrylic on there, and then pop it in the lamp to cure it, and then once you're finished, just brush off the rest of the acrylic once it's out the lamp, and that is your design complete. So next up is the bloom gel flower. These are really easy to do, and all you would do for this is you would have already applied your gel polish your 2 coats of gel polish, and you'll come in with that bloom gel and give it a good coat. And you don't want to have far too much, but you don't want to have too little, because you need the other gel to be able to spread itself out inside this gel. Now you won't cure this in the lamp at this stage. You then come in with your chosen colour for your flowers, which I'm going to be using this one from Chinty's. And then again, what we're doing is we're just doing the same as what we've done with that sugar rose. We're just making all those little croissant shapes going in a circle until you have your desired effect. And I'm going to do this whole nail as a flower, so I'm just going to keep working round, making those shapes until the full nail is complete. Then before I pop this in the lamp, I am going to give it a few seconds just to allow that gel to spread out. So the brush that I'm using is the one for Nail Kumi, which I will put in the comments below. So now that's my flower complete, I'm going to pop it in the lamp to cure. And then now it's out of the lamp, what I'm going to do is I'm going to come in with some silver Chinty gel polish, and still using that fine liner brush, we're just going to add on some fine strokes around the edges of some of these petals, just to give it that little bit more detail. Once I have finished that, I will pop it back in the lamp to cure, and then come in with my top coat and then pop it back in the lamp to cure again, and then that's this design finished as well, guys. So next up we're going to do a little bit of 3D work, so we're just doing little petals. So to begin this, you would have already again applied all your gel polish, and then we're just going to go in with powder gel in a bottle from Chinty's, and we're just going to add on that little alloy nail art piece. So I'm using the powder in a bottle because that will really grip onto that and make it last on the nail. Once we've positioned that alloy piece, we will pop this in the lamp to cure. Once it's out the lamp, I removed the sticky layer and went in with a top coat just to make sure that it really holds in place. I'm now coming in with my 3D brush, which is one from Crystal Nails, and then the Chinty's Acrylic, and all we're doing is using small beads, placing them on that nail, and then we're just going to shape them. So I'm coming in with the very point of my brush to the centre of that petal, and we're just using a press in just to press that petal out until you have the shape that you're looking for. So again, these petals don't have to be exactly the same, and we'll do 3 at each corner, well, the 2 opposite corners of this nail. So I'm just going to allow you to watch as I'm doing that because it's all the same and I don't want to bore you with me talking constantly. So I'll be back with you guys soon. I forgot to mention I did come in on the centre of that alloy piece and just added in some of the Chinty's Festival Collection glitters, which I used orange, and just used top coat to hold that in place. Now you don't have to do this, you could add anything you want or just leave it blank. So once I'd finished with doing these acrylic petals, I did come in with some top coat and just put it in the centre of that alloy piece over that glitter and held the nail upside down just to give that a wee bit more dimension. And then that was this nail complete. I hope you enjoy watching these videos, guys. If there's anything at all that you want me to try and do, just leave it in the description and I'll try my hardest to get a video done for you. And I'll see you in the next video, guys. Bye for now.